It is a great satisfaction to greet you, and I hope you find yourself well, both you and your pet. In today's video we will talk about the following. Why do dogs eat dirt? Let's find out now. Your dog's desire for dirt may be due to nutritional, behavioral, or medical reasons. Nutritional reasons. Deficiencies in their diet can cause dogs of any age to eat dirt to obtain minerals from the soil, such as sodium, iron, and calcium. Dogs that are malnourished can also eat dirt and other objects due to hunger and nutritional deficiencies. When selecting a good quality dog food, the food you choose should meet nutritional guidelines and be made by a good, experienced, and reputable manufacturer. Behavioral reason. Dogs can get bored if they don't get enough exercise, and some will eat dirt to occupy their time. Dogs with separation anxiety can eat dirt due to stress when separated from their parents. Dogs can develop anxiety at any age. Medical problem. Various medical problems can also make dogs want to eat dirt. For example, anemia, portosystemic, liver, shunt. A shunt is an abnormal blood vessel that allows blood to bypass a dog's liver. As a result, the liver receives an inadequate blood supply and does not function properly. Shunts are rare, but can be congenital, in puppies, or seen in adult or older dogs. Gastritis, inflammation of the stomach. When dogs have an upset stomach, they sometimes eat dirt and slash or grass to try and induce vomiting. Is eating dirt bad for dogs? Of course. Eating piles of dirt, mud, or other objects can pose a choking hazard. Chewing and consuming hard objects, such as rocks and animal bones that may be mixed with the dirt, can also fracture teeth. Aside from the most obvious dangers, here are some other important ones. Gastrointestinal obstruction. Dirt, stones, sticks, or other objects, also called foreign bodies, can get stuck in a dog's esophagus, stomach, or intestines. This is called a gastrointestinal obstruction. Surgery is often needed to treat an obstruction. As soon as you see your dog ingest a foreign body, call your vet right away. A vet can induce vomiting and prevent possible blockage. Timing is of the essence. You should take your dog to a vet within an hour of ingesting the foreign material because a dog's stomach generally empties within 2 hours. Toxins. Another risk of eating dirt or grass is that it can contain pesticides, fertilizers, or other toxins that can be very harmful to your dog. Damage to the gastrointestinal tract. Dirt and rocks can also cause abrasions and inflammation to the lining of a dog's gastrointestinal tract as they move through the esophagus, stomach, and intestines. Parasites. Dogs that eat dirt are also more likely to ingest soil-dwelling parasites, such as Capillaria, Giardia, hookworms, roundworms, and whipworms. They can also ingest fleas that are in the ground, which can transmit a parasite called tapeworm. What to do if your dog is eating dirt? Eating small amounts of dirt every now and then may not harm your dog, but still don't allow it. If your dog eats a lot of dirt or suddenly eats dirt for the first time, this could be a sign of illness and should be treated as soon as possible. Take your dog to the vet if he exhibits any of the following symptoms. Eat dirt often or suddenly. Decreased appetite. Straining to poop or irregular bowel movements. Lethargy. Pale gums, sign of anemia. Vomiting multiple times in a 24-hour period, especially if vomiting occurs shortly after eating or drinking. How to prevent your dog from eating dirt. Feed your dog a good quality diet so that he receives adequate nutrition. Talk to your vet about the best diet to feed your dog. It is recommended that most dogs eat twice a day. Dogs under 10 pounds should eat 3 to 4 small meals a day. If your dog is only fed once a day and you notice that he eats things from outside, dirt, sticks, stones, or objects from your house, it may be due to hunger. It can be helpful to divide the daily servings of his food into 2 or 3 meals to keep your dog's stomach content throughout the day. Walk your dog on a leash every time you go out so that he is always under direct supervision. Then you will know if your dog is trying to eat something unusual. If it's too difficult, try getting your dog to wear a basket muzzle. This muzzle is loose over the mouth and will prevent your dog from eating dirt and other foreign objects. Protect your dog from intestinal parasites, fleas, ticks, and heartworm disease. Heartworm prevention is by prescription only. An oral flea and tick prevention also requires a prescription. Make sure your dog gets plenty of exercise and has toys to play with. This will help reduce anxiety and prevent your dog from eating dirt out of boredom. Would you like to have more professional information, and especially updated about your dog? Visit the website below in the description of this video. Do not stop subscribing to the channel, comment, and share the video. You are very well, thank you.